In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Counter-Strike 2 on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, Valve finally updated Counter-Strike a while back, releasing Counter-Strike 2. The game's been out for a while and it's been receiving constant updates on PC, something that a lot of players have been wondering if it is possible to play Counter-Strike 2 on consoles, specifically for this video, Xbox consoles, because as you might remember, older Counter-Strike titles were available for Xbox. So, is Counter-Strike 2 going to be ported over to consoles? To check this, let's go to the Counter-Strike 2 game page on Steam and see if there's any mention of a possible port under the recent events and announcements. In here, even though you can browse through the description, browse through a bunch of release notes, including the maps workshops, any updates, new maps, etc. What you will notice, however, is that sadly there is no mention of an update regarding Counter-Strike 2 on consoles, including Xbox. So as of today, is it possible to play Counter-Strike 2 on Xbox? Sadly, as it stands today and as you might expect, it seems that Counter-Strike 2 is not going to be ported over to consoles, specifically Xbox, for this video, so it is going to remain impossible to play Counter-Strike 2 on consoles, unless Valve goes back on this decision and makes the port over to consoles. You will be unable to run Counter-Strike 2 on an Xbox. You need to play the game on PC through Steam. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Valve has no intentions on porting Counter-Strike 2 over to Xbox, and unless they address this in the future, it is going to remain impossible to play it on consoles. If you want to keep track of the update cycle yourself, you can visit the store page and just scroll down until you reach the same page like I displayed in this video. This is where they post the major release notes for the game on PC. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.